Hey guys, John with Mojave Trails and LCOO. Today I want to introduce you to our awning that we decided to put on, our tune. And this is the Ironman 4x4, 6.5 foot by 8 foot awning. Full disclosure, we paid for it with our own money. It wasn't given to us. So we're going to just do a little quick walk around on it and why we like this awning, why we went with this one over other ones. And let's get started. Okay, so this awning is made out of a really thick material, a ripstop canvas material. It is 6.5 foot by 8 foot, so it has a bunch of coverage inside. So for two people, it's perfect. You've got a lot of depth, which I really like, and you still at 6.5 foot wide. It's not too long on the tune with the Gladiator, so you still have enough room in front of it to mount other items if you want to. The other thing I really like about this is the way that it's mounted with the hardware that Tune sells. You can take it on and off, which we'll demonstrate shortly. But you can also leave it on here, and you still have full access to your side window. The other nice thing about this one is it comes with a light bar that just zips in and slides into this area where you would normally install a room. There's also an awning room for this, a 6.5 by 8 foot awning room, so you can get a fully enclosed bug screen room with a floor. I've had a couple of different awnings. I've had the ARB awning and I've had the Napa awning. Both of them were nice. This one is made, the material is a little thicker than the other two. The aluminum that makes it up is really, really solid and strong. I really like that. It seems a little bit better, stronger than the Napa one. These bars here and this rubber material that they have with them, even in the cold, they're not going to break on you. Like on the Napa one, they can get in, if you're deploying it in the wintertime, it can kind of get brittle, and people have had reported that they've broken those for you. It comes with these guy wires and of course the stakes, and these have a reflective material on them, so if you're walking around at nighttime with a headlamp on, you can see them. And they have this nice little mechanism for tightening it down that comes with them, so you don't have to have another you don't have to tie any knots. It'll just automatically lock in place. Okay, another thing that they included is these carabiners that fit right in the track where you would add attachments. And so this is really nice because you can slide these in here, front and back, on the inside or outside. And you can hang bags or shower pouches or anything that you want to. So that's a really nice feature that I didn't see on any of the other awnings. Okay. And then the other reason, and maybe one of the most important reasons I chose this one, is that it's black. It's the only awning that I could get in black, and I think it matches in with the profile of the tune. Really, really nice. Blends in really nice, and it's extremely functional. Okay, so there's just some of the features we really like about this awning. It is starting to rain here, so we're going to wrap this up. Look for this in upcoming videos. Next week, Blake and I are heading out on another adventure, and we'll be showing a little bit more features about this, as well as we'll have our cabin installed in that. We'll do a walk around and introduction on that. So on behalf of myself and Blake and LCOO, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the trail.